What's up, guys? Mike here. Hey, you can't tell it right now, but it's about 37 degrees out here. It's windy and cold. I got a couple errands to run, but before I did the errands, I wanted to do kind of a walk around to the Monte Carlo. It's super dirty. It's been sitting here. The seats are there, the upholsters. I went and checked on them yesterday. Probably be sometime next week. And this thing hadn't been started in about I dropped off the seats November 4th, so it hadn't been started since November 4th. So, and I think today's the 22nd or 21st. And excuse my mess in here, I still have to vacuum. But let's do a cold start. Now I'm sitting on the floor, guys. So should get to see a real good view of my foot action. Man, that thing needs some gas. Uh-oh. Is it gonna start? I don't have the choke hooked up on this one. So I think it's going to go ahead and run. Those wires you see hanging down is my backup switch to an electric fan, and then my oil gauge pressure hose fell. I got to fix that. Let's go listen to the exhaust. And for all you new subscribers, this is a 1972 Monte Carlo. It has a 350 in it, 350 motor, 350 trans. I can't do a complete walk around because, well, I don't know if I can get the other side, but this has been my work in progress over the past 5 years, and that's just turbo mufflers on this thing. Yeah, you can see a little bit of it over here. Well, this one started. I'm gonna let it run for a few minutes. I gotta go get some gas for it. But let's walk over there and see how that 67 does. Give you a little update on this one before I do the cold start. I did mount a toolbox in there. You open up the toolbox. I don't know if y'all can see it or not, but right there's my gas filler neck. It is kind of downhill right now at the present moment. I gotta find me a sharper 90. I fixed the exhaust on it because the exhaust was hanging out. I'll show you that muffler here in a second. But let's see how this one does in the 37 degree cold weather. The choke is hooked up on this one. It starts easier than the Monte Carlo. And primary is best. I got less fuel than you do. But this one hasn't been driven on the streets yet. So if y'all want to watch some neat old trucks, look at Primary is Best on YouTube. He has a couple nice, 3 or 4 nice old trucks he's working on. Then here's the exhaust on this one. It's working. It sounds pretty good. I put a flow master down in there, and this is not how I'm gonna leave it, but there's my flow master. That's not how I'm gonna leave it, but that's just temporary. I gotta go get this. Let me get away from this thing. It's loud. I have to take this one, seeing how it was an other state truck, and I have to go get it inspected. So I gotta go get a temporary tag and take all the proper paperwork with me so I can get it inspected, so I can get the plates. So let's walk back over here to Monte Carlo. Yeah, you can see it's pretty dang cold out here. But that 67 has a brand new battery in it. This one has about a 3-year-old battery in it. So I can't wait till I get my interior back so I can drive that Monte Carlo some. And then I was telling y'all, here was a old muffler on that 67. It's rusted clean through. So I just needed something that was gonna hang and work. Man, that thing's loud. Man, it's running pretty good. Gotta clean my window. And I think I still need to adjust the idle a little bit. But, alright, I'm gonna end this here. Would y'all please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that thumbs up. Thank y'all.